3 projects on Tonchain that will reach 10 billion market capitalization. In this video, I'll be showing you the 3 projects that could make you rich and change your life because they will reach 10 billion market cap. Yeah, but this can only be possible if you get in early, you get in now, and position yourself and understand what are the drivers that will make this project to reach that high market cap that I'm predicting. Okay, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe, and share with others. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to know is what is the thesis, or what are the thesis that we make Ton chain project, okay, to reach this high level of valuation or market cap. Now, to show you, we like to show you the market cap. I would like to show you the performance of Solana. Solana is a chain that can be compared with Ton chain. So here is Solana, and as you can see, Solana market cap is this. We have an all-time high market cap. Okay, the all-time high market cap has reached 83, let's say 80, 85 billion dollars market cap. Okay, and mind you, Solana started. Okay, the price of Solana back then was around. Okay, you can even see $1.52. All right, and the market cap then was around 2080, around less than $100 million. And what we have now is astonishingly surprising. Okay, it's at 85 billion dollars market cap. All right, now for Tonchain, when you look at Tonchain, we'll compare this to Tonchain on the current market cap. It's around the current market cap is around $18 billion, and the all-time market cap is around $23 billion. All right. Now, there are two factors. There are two factors that will make Tonchain, okay, to have a market cap, or that will make Tonchain project to have market cap that are surprising and mind-blowing. Okay, so I will show you two of those reasons, or two of those factors. I call them effects. So the first effect, or the first factor, or the first edge for Tonchain project that will take its project from the current market cap to billions of dollars market cap is the Telegram user effect. The Telegram user effect now unlock access to 900 million Telegram orders. So now for Telegram is a chain that builds, okay, Tonchain is a chain that built for Telegram user. So Telegram, so that means it already has a market. There's already a market, an existing market for Tonchain projects. Okay, so and this will be one of the fuel, or one of the trigger for Tonchain growth and its high market valuation that it will record as the year pass on. Okay, now 900 million Telegram users. So unlike, compare this to Solana chain was built for non-existent users. When I started, nobody was using. No, it was not built for a market. It was built to compete with other existing chains. Okay, so that means Solana started on a very hard, on a very hard start, had a very hard start. But unlike Telegram or Tonchain, it is starting on the soft landing. It has an already existing market. Now there are some publications. This Financial Times is talking about that Telegram has 900 users. Okay, so this Yahoo Finance is talking about we will probably cross 1 billion monthly active users. Telegram is spreading like wildfire. This what the founder of Telegram has to say about the application. So now Telegram is the fuel of growth. Okay, is the fuel of growth for the Tonchain. That is the first thing. The second effect or edge of Tonchain is the mini app chain, or the mini app effect. The mini app effect. Okay, so Telegram has one of the ways that one of the strategies that Telegram Tonchain has put in place to harness the growth of the ecosystem is the mini app approach, or the mini app strategy. So what it will help to do, how it will cause the growth, how it will crack the growth of Tonchain is that users who is that this tap to earn games or this tap to earn bots, okay, will be able to onboard existing Telegram users to Tonchain and new users to Telegram and to Tonchain. Now, for example, say when I first discovered Notcoin, I was tapping it and I was earning. Then I introduced it to my community, and I introduced it to people. My community member introduced it to people that are that are users of Telegram, and those that have not used Telegram, they had to create on the a Telegram account, new Telegram account, and we onboarded new users. And now, Notcoin alone onboarded about 35 million users, to Tonchain. This is massive. So the mini app effect is one of the reasons. It's one of it's one of the reasons. Look at this Notcoin. It's one of the effects. It's one of the strategies that we make Tonchain to have Tonchain project to have massive valuation. Okay, so that being said, I'll go straight and show you the three projects I'm looking at that we hit this high valuation. So the first one obviously is Notcoin. Okay, Notcoin is a leading or is the leading tap to earn project on the Chain. Now this is like a Telegram bot. On this Telegram bot, you tap and your the number of coins you have increases, and airdrop was given and it had a massive. You can see the market cap for Toncoin or for Notcoin is currently at 1.5 billion. Now I'm confident this will go to $10 billion market cap. Okay, and the reason is because this project has a very good roadmap. They have a lot of things in stock that will be unlocked in the future. They have a lot of announcements, and investing in it now, positioning yourself now, means you will have opportunity to maximize in the profitability or in the return on investment that Notcoin has in the future. So let's compare Notcoin to Dogecoin. Notcoin is not is a gaming project, okay, and also a leader of the tap to earn or earn narrative. Okay, why Dogecoin is a meme coin. Now, when you just compare its all-time high with Notcoin, it has now the return is 56x, 56.3x. So that means if I invest 1,000 currently in Notcoin, okay, I will make if I invest 1,000 currently in Notcoin, I'll make I will make if I invest 1,000, let's say I invest 1,000, let's say I have 100,000 Notcoin. That means I will be able to make $86,000. So that is the outside return that you can make by investing in Notcoin. So let's look at Notcoin and the price action. The market cap is currently at $1.5 billion, and you can buy it on Ston.fi. Ston.fi, I think I have a video that shows how to buy all this coin using Tonkeeper. So check the description section and you get it. You get a video to guide you. Okay, so this is the first project I'm thinking. The second project is Ston.fi. So Ston.fi is the leading DEX or decentralized exchange for Chain. So what it means is that all the projects that will be built on the Ton ecosystem or the Chain ecosystem, we have now people can buy buy those projects by interacting with Ston.fi and that means fee unlocking fee for Ston.fi and also it also means the growth of Ston.fi. Okay, Ston.fi can be compared to Uniswap of Ethereum chain and Jupiter of Solana chain and PancakeSwap of Binance Smart Chain. Okay, let's look at Uniswap as a competitive product and see how we can compare it let's look at Uniswap and compare it to Ston.fi. Okay, so the all-time market cap of Uniswap was around $22 billion market cap. Okay, all-time high. So that means in the bull run, this was the all-time high of market cap of Uniswap. Now, when you look at the current Ston.fi market cap, the all-time high was 55 million market cap. This million, guys, this millions. Okay, so that means from here to 1 billion. Okay, we're already talking about 10x. From 1 billion to 2 billion, that's 23 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion. It's going to be massive. So this is a no-brainer. Getting in early on this project at this time and this time is a no-brainer. So you can, although whatever I'm saying here is not a financial advice, you make your decision based on your research, but these are data-driven analysis that I'm giving you. So the next project, a which is which is surprisingly great, is Resistant Dog. Redo, Resistant Dog Redo. Redo is a leading dog team, dog narrative meme coin on the Ton chain. So you know how explosive dog team, leading dog team meme coins on other chains are. For example, bread is growing. Bread is a meme coin on the base chain. Bonk on Solana chain is growing. Now we have Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. They are growing. They are multi-billion dollar market cap project. So I believe, look at Dogecoin, the all-time high market cap was $64 billion. Okay, $64 billion. Now, due to the two effects, okay, the user or Telegram user effect and the mini app effect. Now, new users coming to Ton chain, the first thing they will do is they will look for the leading meme coin and they will buy. Now, currently the market cap for Redo is $75 million. This is million, guys. And we are talking about billions. We're talking about billions. Okay. Now, at 1 billion is already close to 10x, 2 billion, and this will likely reach $10 billion market cap. So to buy this, you go to Ston.fi and swap your Ton for Redo. Okay, guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider to support my work by hitting the subscription button, subscribe, and also share with your community. Okay, guys, these are three projects that I believe will reach 10 billion market cap. And the way to maximize the opportunity is to get in early, because I believe this will happen in a short time. Okay, get in early and create a portfolio. The portfolio should have Notcoin, Redo, and Ston.fi, and you will have a life-changing yield. This, like I said, this is not a financial advice. Do your research and make your informed decision.